Sup though guys, I am at Walmart. Yeah, looking at all the games. Just let me give me a second. There we have wrestling, we have the Show 16 baseball. Ooh, yeah, Star Wars Battlefront, The Evil Within. I like that game. Ooh, Grand Theft Auto, I love that game until my rat brother broke it. Mortal Kombat XL, I played that a couple times with my cousins. Dead Island Reptide. I have the first Dead Island game. The Walking Dead Season 2. I have that game. There's Fantasia. I don't know how it's pronounced. There's Minecraft Story Mode. I want to play that a lot. I have Left 4 Dead 2. I have Mortal Kombat Complete Edition. Titanfall, that seems fun. It really does. Call me a Lyle if you want to. Photos. That looks gay. Sonic Boom Shadow Crystal. Played that when I was like 9 or 8, 10. I mean 7. Yeah, 7 was the last time I played it. Okay, this are the computer games. Oh yeah, and guys, I'm gonna have a sleepover this Friday if I'm good enough for my parents. Kablam! And then my best friend Josh is gonna watch. It's gonna spend a night, and it's gonna be pretty cool. Make sure to subscribe or leave a like. I really don't care as long as I get a like or a subscribe. Bye.